We've got Hamza here. We're recording, not our first, but our first like proper ad.
What's up, guys?
This is Hamza. What do you do?
What I do, I film videos. I edit videos. I do side hustles, like window cleaning and all that. You know?
Amazing.
Jack of all trades.
Essentially for this video, I had this one idea of an ad. So we do window cleaning, and I went out, I bought a few fake birds. I don't know what the response for this video is going to be, but or for this ad. But what we're going to do is we're going to clean one of the windows. We're going to make it look like we're talking with the homeowner at the end, like, oh, hey, they look super sweet. Bird hits the window.
I'm gonna throw it kind of
right now, we're about to do it.
Okay,
Aziz, he has the bird. He's got the pole. Hamza's got the thing. All right, is that the best angle?
The best angle, I think,
is from here?
I gotta time it right.
No. I would say just record at that. Like, we can't have the bird just going in as like he'll be cleaning the window.
Record like that.
Yeah. And then as soon as the bird comes, like right before it's about to make contact, we just pan it down, and then we're all like, oh.
Do you want me to pan down here or towards where the bird is falling?
Oh no, like down here.
Okay, I got you. You don't want to do it. Oh yeah. Here would. Right here. I guess so. Go over like. Yeah. Go like this.
Okay.
That way. Are you guys ready?
All right, Hamza, you give us the countdown.
3.
On go. You or wait. Could you start scrubbing the middle one, and then we throw it at this right one.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna give you the countdown. So I start recording now. Alright.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Okay, take 2. So the last one, bird had autism, but we're changing the angles. This is gonna look better. All right, Hamza, let us know when you're ready, and then Christian.
Oh yeah, you don't even have to be on the freaking roof.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So
Doesn't make any sense.
Just make it.
All right, throw it at the right one. All right, Hamza.
I have to start recording. Whenever you're ready, go for it.
Oh yeah.
Should be a problem?
Good idea. Let's wait a second. Wait for it to die down.
We've cleaned that window like 20 times. Why is it spinning?
Okay, take 3. We're gonna make it not spin.
On the camera.
So you're going for that one, right? You're cleaning that. Clean more of this side, and not the middle, more towards the right side. And then you throw it closer to there, and the camera should capture that. Alright.
All right, is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, are we recording?
All right, on your count, Hamza.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah.
That should be good.
Right next to the big one. And then when it comes,
to when a real bird is coming.
when it comes to you, Christian, just give a good reaction, yeah? Christian. You'll be like, oh shit.
No, Christian. I have like the most serious face, and then when it hits the window, just be like, oh. Just do that, okay?
Okay, let's get it. All right, Hamza, on your count.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. I need to get straight face.
Yeah, I'm recording. 3, 2, look.
It's okay.
Come on. Are you ready?
So excited.
You got it, bro. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so now we're just trying to make it look as realistic as possible. I think this is the shot. All right, are we all ready?
Whenever you're ready. Give a loud reaction so the camera catches the audio.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. I'm recording.
Oh, shit!
All right then. R.I.P. to that bird. That was the final shot. I'll put up the clip right now.
Oh,
All right, so that was the ad. Wet hair. I just got out of the shower. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you think it's gonna do good or bad as well. I'm excited for this one. I like this ad. Something new that I'm putting up is, so the other day I was helping out one of you in the Discord with being better at sales. And after a bit of me helping out, the next day, she went from making, I don't remember how many sales a day, to more than double or around there, doubling the sales the next day and for the days to come, or the days that followed. So one thing that I want to do is maybe coaching. Maybe I could help out with that, because I have a few courses up. They're all free. I think that's not as personalized. So if you want my personalized help with either business or sales, go ahead, check that out. Let me know if I can help out too. That's probably going to be the first link in the description. I'm also going to put my friend's Instagram who helped me out with this ad. Go ahead to check both of those out. Say thank you to him. He's amazing for helping out with this. And yeah, with everything being said, thank you again for watching the video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.